Good morning, student, and welcome to my English literature class. Today I am going to explain you one very interesting story. The name of our story is Alice in Wonderland. You also take out your book and underline the hard words with me. Okay? This is a very interesting story of a girl and Wonderland. Okay, now I am going to start. Listen very carefully. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. This is the story of a girl whose name is Alice. One day she was lying under a tree and her sister is reading a story. Alice was listening the story. Suddenly, he saw a white rabbit scamper by. You can see here I underline the scamper. Scamper means to move in a hurry, means move very fast. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit is moving very hurriedly. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He had means who is he? The rabbit. This he word is using for rabbit. Rabbit had pink eyes and also rabbit was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Hurried. Hurried means to rush, move fast. Underline this hurried. That rabbit had pink eyes and rabbit was wearing a blue coat. Have you ever seen a rabbit wearing a coat? No, na? So he took out, and also the rabbit took out a big watch from his waistcoat. Which coat he was wearing? This. From the pocket. What he take out? He take out a very big watch. As he hurried away, when he was running very fastly, he take out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket. And he said also, "Oh dear, I will be too late." It means the rabbit was also talking. Now, she thought there was something very different about this rabbit. She means Alice. Alice was thinking something is very different about this rabbit. Means this rabbit is different from the other rabbits. Why? It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Why she said this different about this rabbit? Because this rabbit was talking and rabbit is wearing a red waistcoat and carried a watch. So Alice wondered. Wondered means surprise. Alice surprised. A talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was wondered. Alice surprised. Talking rabbit means rabbit can talk. This rabbit can talk. Student, have you ever seen a talking rabbit? No, na? So that's why Alice also not seen this type of rabbit. So she was surprised. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. Curiosity. Underline this curiosity. This word also came in your last lesson. Last lesson means your poem. Why? That boy was curious, na? Yes, curiosity means she want to know about that rabbit, so she followed the white rabbit. She followed the white rabbit means she went away after the rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. Rabbit started the running and Alice also followed the rabbit. She going back the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. Okay, the rabbit suddenly the rabbit popped down a large rabbit hole. He jumped into a hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too because she was following the rabbit na, so she also jumped into the hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. The rabbit went down into the rabbit hole. And Alice also went down. Alice said aloud. Alice said aloud. Aloud means loudly. Alice said loudly, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She said, "I think I am centered in the earth." She wondered. Wondered means surprised. She surprised. Will I slip through the earth to the another side? She was thinking, will I slip through the earth, the another side of the earth? Thup! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Then she landed. Landed means fell down on a pile of dry leaves. This is pile word is the collective noun. Okay, pile of dry leaves. She landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile means ढेर. Dry leaves means सूखे घास के ऊपर गिर गई. She looked around quickly. When she fallen on a pile, she looked here and there. Suddenly saw the white rabbit again. And again she saw that white rabbit. Okay. It disappeared, saying. Disappeared means vanish. गायब हो जाना. And it was saying, "Oh my ears and whiskers. How late it's getting." Underline this whisker. Whisker means long hair on the face of animals. Animals have long hair on their face, like rabbit and cat also, lion, tiger. So that we call that hair we call whisker. The rabbit said, "Oh my ears and whisker. How late it's getting." He was saying, "I am very late." Alice stood up and saw a small door. What she saw? Alice stood up and she saw a very small door. 15 inches high. The door was 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. It means door. Door was very, very small. So, for her to go through, she can't go through another side of the door because the door was very small. She saw a glass table with a golden key. Here is this table. Table is our noun, है ना? And this door is also a noun. Both are our noun. So this small word and this glass word is the adjective of door and table. Small is the adjective of door and glass is the adjective of table. Understand? Note down all these things which I am explaining you. She saw a glass table with a golden key. When she saw the door. After that, she saw a glass table with a golden key on it. One golden key was lying on the table. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. She tried to open the lock with the golden key. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. Underline this loveliest word. Then Alice opened the door with the help of that golden key, and she looked a loveliest garden. Loveliest is the superlative degree of lovely. Garden she had ever seen. What she saw there? She saw a very, very beautiful garden there. She never seen this type of garden because it was very beautiful. She had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. What did she saw there? She saw there a beautiful, so many beautiful flowers and a cool fountain. This is cool fountain, and these are the flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. But she could not even get her head. She can't put her head also through the doorway because the door was very small. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller. What she exclaimed loudly. Exclaimed means, underline this exclaimed. Exclaimed means cry out with suddenly in surprise. Cried out with surprise, suddenly in surprise. The meaning of exclaimed. She exclaimed very loudly and said, "Oh, I wish I could become smaller. काश के मैं छोटी हो जाती." Understand? And student, it was the explanation of the lesson. This story is adapted from Alice in Wonderland. It is a story which name is Alice in Wonderland, and this which I explained, it is a part only. Okay, it is a very small part of this story, and written by Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll is the writer of this story. Student, if you want to see, read this story, find out it search it in Google, and you can watch the picture also. Alice in Wonderland. Okay. Now I explain the lesson. In next video I will tell you the summary of this lesson, this story. Here is some work which you have to do yourself. This question, because I explained the whole lesson today, so you do this work, question number 8, as your homework. Tick the correct answer. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. You have to correct the right option, pink eyes. Okay, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are here which you have to do. And one more question is here in Let's Talk. Find one word from the story that means to walk fast. I told you hurried. Hurried means to walk fast. Okay, you have to do this. And happy means delight. Okay, student, now I am going to explain you your worksheet. You have to do your worksheet also. Here is your worksheet. Alice in Wonderland. This is the name of your lesson. This is contained work which you are going to do in this lesson. Difficult words, word meaning, question answer, think and write, true and false, fill in the blanks and make sentences. Difficult words I gave you 9. You write 5 more difficult words. Find out from the lesson and write here 5 more. Only 5 more. Then word meaning. Here are 5 word meaning: scamper, hurried, popped, disappeared and whisker. Then question answer. I did here question answer for you, and you can change the answer also. If you want to change the answer of question, you can. Suppose this question: what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Okay, it was wearing a blue coat and a red waistcoat. It was going somewhere hurriedly. It could speak. It had pink eyes. It had a big watch. In few lines you can change, because some more things are there in the rabbit. If you will watch the picture, if you will see the picture properly, you will find out. Here I'll show you the picture again. This, see, umbrella. He is carrying umbrella also, na? So you can write this line also. This rabbit was carrying a umbrella. Okay, these are your question answer. And this is your last topic, think and write. Your first question of think and write is: imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? You have to think and you have to write yourself also. You can write yourself also. I written here: if I were Alice and my partner were a rabbit, I would do exactly that Alice did. What the Alice did? She followed the rabbit, na? I would follow the rabbit to the Wonderland. This is the answer. You can write this answer also in your words. What do you think Alice saw in the garden? What did the Alice saw in the garden? Alice saw fountain and beautiful flowers, good scenery in the garden. She also enjoyed the pleasant fragrance of colorful flowers. Just before I told you to watch the picture of this story. You can find the picture of this story in YouTube and Google also. After watching the picture, you can write the answer of this answer yourself. If you want to write the answer again after watching the picture, you can write. Okay, student? As you all know, the COVID-19 is spreading in our area. So my dear student, don't go outside, stay home, stay safe and watch the video again. Thank you. Bye bye.